Who share page na men start and the program on person here. Yeah, the nyame or the nature obi a hope say what na say ubetie de ekoso. And there were videos kakra bi wo ha ye bebo na ya pensem mu na ye de atete nkrofo bi to na afei so ye tumi solidify ye ho for the job ahead. Now, Chairman.
Yes, sir.
One thing I have come to notice about Ghana, and then they say, now, and somebody can correct me. We claim that they are not case ye papa, utie, but enye papa ne pe.
Fake. I just talk it.
Chairman, yeah, they are not
point.
case. Oh, minya meya doctor, but obwa.
Talking point in Kwan.
Chairman, adentina mekwa kwa kasa asem we sabre. Yeti wa michiao, otovin michiao, michio bia awa hebia. Chairman, she said. Ghana for yakoto aba. Now John Dramani Mahama will lose flat over 500,000 votes and will lose by.
Oh yes.
Now Esan say ye person ye can NDC for kakra almost cry ideas and come over running nibi. Ye be come wa shentino and ye can say adia ni yanjintum. And I'm about to now catch the money now say the reason why Crawford is so much idea went to me is simple. And you said the beya say 2024 bedu na say ye koto aba na say ye po bi ba na bedi NDC animu a esan say ye dia hye ye party for the trim say ye wi anu nti no ye be see am an opportunity.
Of course.
Because as I speak to you from a very reliable source, Chairman, there is a lot of fightings going on in NDC. And all the fighting going on and they say, ye won crophobia omo no mo gidi se Mahama wapem. They don't think Sam Mahama can take them to win any other election.
Of course not.
Okay? And those people are advocating, say, simple say 2024 na yen to near winia. We should prepare ourselves so that after 2024, by that time we have a formidable candidate here. Yet no for a very long time. Now where to me about taking the Rams. And you okay, there's no swap. Almost Jenny say the Rollinsm, and I said the Rollins away, Rollins spirits now what NDC muno free, and they have been sidelined. So that function is there. And you what omo buy and say yes you be didi to send the biabe fra MPP muno.
Yes.
Now omo buy omo who say juma omo buy ye ni na no because it's just a certain ring be pet and BDA.
Yeah.
These things plus the real national and that's everybody say the real people that hold NDC who know Mahama cannot win them election would have wanted another candidate. But unfortunately, we have politicized and monetized our politics to the sense that Omujidi said, Mahama and the Wuskano. Another school of thought, so I say, Omunim say Mahama aim to me aim winning election. Chairman.
Yeah.
And me, I'm on the side of these people. They know Mahama cannot win an election. However, they want him to waste all the money he stole.
Sana Mr. Midwin. Yep.
Utie and Crawford and Chairman, these are functions so. Woman himself Mahama, yet they don't call a predu, ye be losing predu. Now, so sikani na fumu na akwesenti ya mom nempie. That is why I say Dunketia will go and have a secret meeting with his chiefs and say he doesn't like Mahama and don't want Mahama to lead. And turn around the next day and say he's the I'm like Mahama is the only candidate. It is scary. Chairman. A very, very, very dangerous and very, very scary. Now, again, NDC was willing, including John Mahama, to put Ghana in chaos for the presidential ambition.
Yes.
When he knew, say, number one, pair a Siedun Ketiano, we don't have figures. Why don't we have figures? After collating 5 regions, our machines broke down. Remember?
Yes.
So President Mahama and his NDC knew that they had not won anything. They knew the figures was not favoring them. And that is why Metununu and the Bakono Legon professor ran away from the EC's place, came to lie to us, say, EC, and they asked him to leave. Now, Omugira free said, and she said, yeah, she said, the chairman, say, EC crackers, and qua answer, and will call you do replacement to buy San Wako.
Of course.
So every time there are people stand by. But NDC gambled with the peace, tranquility, and the little joy we were enjoying in Ghana because they had lost an election. They told the youth to go out there, cause mayhem, burn tires, make sure that they are making the government ungovernable.
Mm-hmm.
John Dramani Mahama, for him to be a candidate, just a candidate, of course, there is no way he's winning 2024. But just to be a candidate, he told Marie Buedu, who now I have heard she wants me back. The last time I heard somebody said she's crying for me. She has missed me, so she wants me back. She wants to come back to MPP. Send Kwasia Taylor all the way in US. Etin the cubicle mu ekan Kwasia Sem say. Mon kwasi ayalolo. Asawasi for rise up. Volta region, rise up. Go and fight. Storm out and cause mayhem. Cause an insurrection in Ghana. Why? Because John Dramani Mahama has lost an election. Is he the only president that has lost an election in Ghana? No.
Hell no.
Is he the only person that has lost an election in Ghana? No. Let's go to Nana Akufo-Addo. Since 1996, he has been trying to get a chance to serve this country. When he even became the flag bearer, it took him 3 elections in order to win.
Yes.
2008, Ojinaye Wenya. 2013, Ojinaye Wenya.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2013, Ojinaye Wenya. And 2016, Nyamiada Roma, Onyaye. Mahama is not the only person that has lost an election.
And he came as an accidental president.
And Nanado, thank you for making that clarity. An accidental president. Nanado, who said you? How would I even put it? What babri when you ma babri when you na onyano. Edu brebi pa sebi. Ne party for mema. Satan no samia ukunum. Gabi otreda kunum. We are talking Lord Kombe num Ashanti region